What if your doctor could predict your illness before symptoms appear? Or tailor your medication so precisely that side effects disappear? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to the world of personalized medicine, where your DNA becomes the roadmap to your health. In today's video, we're diving deep into how this revolutionary shift in medicine is transforming everything, from diagnosis and treatment to prevention and lifestyle. Stick with me as we explore the science, the stories, and the future of healthcare made just for you. Personalized medicine, what it really means. Let's begin with a basic but powerful question. What is personalized medicine? At its core, personalized medicine uses your individual biological data, especially your genetic profile, to guide medical decisions. It's not one-size-fits-all healthcare anymore. It's precision medicine based on your unique biology. Think about it. Two people with the same diagnosis might respond very differently to the same treatment. Why? Because of their genetics. With advancements in genetic testing, we can now identify risk factors for diseases before they strike and choose medications that work best for your body. We're talking about a healthcare system that learns you, adapts to you, and heals you more efficiently than ever before. DNA as the medical blueprint. So how exactly does your DNA help tailor treatment? Your DNA is like a medical blueprint. Over 20,000 genes coded in just 4 letters, A, T, C, and G. These sequences determine everything from your eye color to how your liver processes medication. By analyzing this code, doctors can predict genetic risks like BRCA1 for breast cancer, identify how your body metabolizes drugs, and customize treatments based on genetic mutations. Let's say you carry a gene that makes traditional chemotherapy less effective. With genetic testing, doctors can switch to a drug that works better just for you. We've already seen success in cancer treatment, where targeted therapies focus on the exact mutations in a tumor. Rather than applying generic chemo to every patient, it's already saving lives. Real-life success stories. Let's look at some powerful examples. Case 1. Breast cancer and BRCA testing. Angelina Jolie famously underwent a preventive double mastectomy. After genetic testing revealed a high risk of breast cancer, that single test changed the course of her life and inspired millions to learn about genetic risk. Case 2. Cystic fibrosis and Ivacaftor. A rare mutation in a small group of cystic fibrosis patients led to the development of a drug that completely changed their lives. One gene, one drug, one massive breakthrough. Case 3. Pharmacogenomics and depression. Instead of trying 5 antidepressants to see which one works, patients are now being tested for how their body processes drugs. Result: faster recovery, fewer side effects. These stories are just the beginning. AI and machine learning in healthcare, but genetics is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's bring in artificial intelligence, the digital brain behind modern personalized medicine. AI is helping doctors analyze massive amounts of patient data faster and more accurately than ever. AI-powered diagnostics. Tools like Google's DeepMind have demonstrated the ability to detect breast cancer better than human radiologists. We're talking 90% plus accuracy. Predictive Analytics. By learning from thousands of patient records, AI models can predict whether a diabetic patient might suffer a heart attack, weeks or even months in advance. Chronic disease management. Apps using machine learning now adjust treatment plans for conditions like diabetes in real time. Based on continuous blood glucose monitoring, the doctor of the future might not wear a white coat. It might be an algorithm. The future of therapeutics. Let's take a moment to think bigger. Beyond pills and standard procedures, what lies ahead? Gene therapy. We're now editing genes to correct deadly disorders like spinal muscular atrophy. Scientists are even trialing CRISPR-based therapies for conditions once thought incurable. Immunotherapy. Custom-built to train your immune system to attack cancer cells. It's like giving your body its own army. Nanomedicine. Imagine microscopic robots delivering drugs only to diseased cells, leaving healthy tissue untouched. Sounds futuristic? It's already in clinical trials. But with every powerful tool comes serious responsibility, which brings us to the ethics. Ethical challenges and big questions. Personalized medicine sounds perfect, but we can't ignore the tough questions. Who owns your genetic data? Can it be used to deny insurance or employment? Should people be able to edit embryos for desirable traits? The debate around bioethics is heating up as technology races ahead of legislation. There's also concern about data privacy and inequality. Will personalized care be accessible only to the wealthy? Or can we build a system that's fair for all? We must proceed not just with innovation, but with intention. Benefits of personalized medicine. Despite the challenges, the benefits are staggering. Improved outcomes. Targeted therapies reduce trial and error, making treatments faster and more effective. Lower healthcare costs by preventing disease and avoiding ineffective drugs. We cut down on hospital visits and long-term care. Empowered patients. People are no longer passive recipients. With access to their data, they make informed choices about their health. Imagine a future where your medical app knows you better than your doctor does, because it's built entirely around you. How you can get involved. So where do you fit into all of this? Consider genetic testing from reputable providers like 23andMe or your hospital's genomics program. Educate yourself through platforms like genome.gov or the National Institutes of Health. Talk to your doctor about pharmacogenetic screening, especially if you take multiple medications. As consumers, our awareness pushes the industry forward. Final thoughts: the healthcare of tomorrow. Personalized medicine is more than a buzzword. It's a paradigm shift. It's how we'll live longer, healthier, and smarter lives. Yes, it's complex. Yes, there are hurdles. But the potential to transform healthcare for every individual is within our grasp. So whether you're a patient, a student, or just curious, stay engaged. The future of healthcare is being written right now, and it's personal. Like, subscribe, share with someone who needs to see this.